G'day, I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to use and troubleshoot your metal hose reel box. Once assembled, you need to make sure the hose guide system is correctly aligned. Press and lift the tab on the left-hand side of the hose guide system. This will allow the hose guide to run freely. Next, pull the entire hose out. Position the hose guide system to the far left and press down to click into place. Turn the handle clockwise, guiding the hose in with your left hand. When in use, ensure you pull out the hose in a slow and steady manner. Sharp tugging can result in the hose getting stuck. If this happens, repeat the steps to realign. It's a good idea every 6 months to remove the water inlet and re-lubricate the O-rings with any silicone-based lubricant. To do this, pull down the locking handle and remove the water inlet. Then spray with silicone-based lubricant. If you have any further inquiries, please call the customer service team. We're always happy to help.